In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Privacy section. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like location. Following that, just click on one of your apps. I will go with Booking.com from Not Allowed section. Over here, tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Booking.com just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. For example, I will access Music and Audio to find Chrome app. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom of them and manage all of those features only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!